Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about Revit architecture stair design. It is many different types of stair available in predefined. Stair have to available in Revit architecture library. So when only for deciding and maintain management for number of stair, length, height, everything you can get the manage according to adjustment for stair in Revit architecture. So let's start how to work in Revit architecture design. First of all, when I go to here architecture right now, then look at this. This is the stair. When I get enter the stair, and here the many different types of stair available. When go to stair, first here the run type, non-landing, support, and also get this one straightforward, create sketch according, circular, the full step, spiral, railing here, and many different types. Let's start the step by step. When I get start here, you can see that L shape, right? When start from L shape, take this here, and they are also provide the distance in standard, right? Look at this. This one is also standard here. When just click, it is automatically click the L shape in 3D design. Look at this, I will show you. This one is like L shape of stair design. Look at this. When I get start from this one and just here turn and go to this one, I get zoom out from this stair design. So let's again I will show you another one how to use. So let's here go to architecture and enter the stair, and go from stair design. So when get the exit on sketch, okay, let's now again next I will use from this type of stair here. This one is going to start from, when click this here, and it is directly make from stair, right? Look at this. When I go to turn from this stair here, so basically this one has make the stair. If I want to go to turn out, so when start from the here and go to turn right now, so this one is directly used from home, any home, according to our stair, according to our roof. Now again I will show you different other one. This is the end spiral here. When get start from the type of spiral, here you can see that type of spiral railing here, just only a particular degree right now. When I get delete here, and again I will show you the semi spiral right now. Now see this, it is called spiral type of railing here, and you can see here actual thread, and this is the setting right now. if I get change, so this type of spiral, and also get change from this type of, and again I will show you the other one. It's like, okay, so many different types of spiral stair here when I get removed. Also again I will show you the full step spiral. So first of all, when I get create, look at this full spiral here, start from here and end from here. When I just turn from this stair design, so when get, you can see that here, you can see that to easily turn from this spiral here, look at this. So there are many types, many different types of spiral when get used from stair. Now use from run type spiral. Now I am used from the particular home here. When I get use the home design, so here exit on this. So this is the house planning. Basically we have already developed this house. When I get use the railing here, so first of all I get use the stair here. When enter the stair and get use from particular, here you can see that start from sketch. When I get use the sketch here, then okay. So here when I get used from any stair right now, this one and this one, I use from this one here. Also I have used from here turn type of here start from this point and get, look at this, start from here and go to this one, and if I want get exit from distance, so let's top view and use from circular stair design. So basically enter here circular stair design and start from so here you can see that if I go to turn from this railing basically, so it is many different types of railing here when you start from here and go to upward. So it's a very useful from stair design from Revit architecture. Okay, you can see that it's very useful from make the stair design in Revit architecture. So today has complete the session, and do like and subscribe our channel.